Okay, so this is going to be a really crazy video. My first YouTube video, so no pressure. Okay, so this is really weird, filming first YouTube video, but you know, you gotta start somewhere. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to do something really silly, but I think it's going to be fun. So if you love video games like I do, I think you're going to enjoy this. So let's get to the point. I'm going to try and play video games in my car, but first I think I need to move to the passenger seat because this is a right-hand drive car, and if I'm gonna use a mouse I'm gonna probably use this. So let's just teleport to the passenger seat. Like, whoa, that was quick. Let me just adjust the camera. So in order to play video games in the car, I have some gear here, so let me show you guys what I have. So first and most important, an Alienware laptop. It's a 17-inch one, very good for gaming. I have a Death Adder mouse from Razer, big fan of Razer, as you can probably tell. Mouse pad, guess from who? Razer. This is a hard aluminium mouse pad. I have a textile rubber mat from guess who? Razer. I'm gonna put this here just to be nice and smooth for the mouse. I'm playing from a laptop, but if we're going to do some intensive gaming, we're gonna need to charge the laptop somewhere, isn't it? So I have something that can convert the power from the car to the laptop. It's a power inverter. Okay, detangled the wires here, undo them really quick. Oh, let's use the power of YouTube to untangle this wire. So let's do this. Wow, that was fast. That's why I love YouTube, man. You can do these things. You know, you just snap your fingers and everything can happen. Okay, so we have power, mouse, laptop. What else do we need for gaming? It's internet. I'm answering, but no worries. It's not like somebody's watching. So for internet, I'm gonna just use my phone. I'm gonna do the hotspot and we have internet. Everything is set up. So I'm going to try a game here. Let's say Overwatch. Play Oriza. No healer, man. I haven't played this game for a very long time now.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, so I'm recording my first YouTube video. This is crazy. Yeah. Wow, I killed so many people. I can't believe this.
Not so fast. Engaging fortification.
Oh, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. It's not bad. We need to escort these guys.
Commandeering the payload. I'm escorting the payload. Assistance requested.
Where is he shooting from?
The payload has reached its mission. The main. Stop right there. Cease your resistance. Moving the payload to the destination. I thought I could drive. Surrender to my will. I recommend moving behind the back. I'm out. Engaging fortification. This is not the end. The payload has reached its mission. All systems checked out.
Oh, I escaped that. Oh, great, but oh, resurrection the second time. What? How is that possible?
You're powered up. Get in there.
Okay, where's the... Wow, this is very aggressive, guys. This is very bad.
Engaging fortification.
Oh, no, no, no. I'm just shooting, man. That's good. Oh shit. That was bad.
I will.
Come on, guys, let's do this. So we won. That's good. Laptop is a bit hot, but I won a game in my car, so it's possible, guys. Now I hope I can put the recording from the screen on the video. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, it is possible. Playing video games on my car. There you go. I voted myself like a little bitch. Okay, that was fun. Okay, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. If you have any fun ideas, you can most definitely leave it in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.